All right, so I am testing out my VEVOR diesel heater I got. I had the old one before and it was really good, but this one is the new one. I don't know the names. I'll put the specs down here, whatever. Yeah, this is a fancy new one, and yeah, it's freaking cool, man. It comes with everything you need to put in a battery, like a car battery, all those cables and stuff. It's got a little filter. It's got this. I didn't use this in my old VEVOR, but it's a muffler. So it's the best because it has a little, really neato container there. Underneath, you can put stuff underneath. I probably won't use it all the time, maybe a bit. Both sides open. Yeah, but like this whole thing almost fit in there, maybe a little bit less. A little over half of diesel. What is this, 5 liters? So like maybe 3 liters or something goes in there. So you got the exhaust here. See, I don't need the freaking muffler. I don't think so, because it's loud. And this sock is important too, because I was burning myself on that. This hose comes with it, but then I bought a 4-inch, like 6-foot extra length. I put the cable in through here. We got the extension cord, but this is my favorite because I had to splice something with the old VEVOR, man. The old VEVOR was like using something in the 80s, man. It was garbage, you know, compared to this super modern one here. Look at this, there's a gas gauge here. Holy crap, I didn't even know that. There's gas gauge, there's lights, the controls are nice, you know. There's a compass for whatever friggin' reason, I don't know. Oh, and then the control is really good. Here's the control, so it's got a little thing you flicker up so it doesn't push the buttons in your pocket. I love that. And then you got a plus minus. I have it on the lowest setting. There, that's the lowest setting. Yeah, I had it on the lowest setting all day. We're gonna go in here now. Okay, so I use a red light most of the time, but I'll put some white light on. So it's pulling like 30-40 watts. 30-40 watts it's pulling normally. And I got my little Jackery. So it's the Jackery 1000, or my Jackery is the 1000. Ow! Shit! I slam my head on this thing every time. So Jackery 1000 should be able to run it for a lot of hours, more than one night, I bet, because it's only pulling, like I said, 40 watts. Okay, here we go. So I just throw this thing up in here, and man, the heat coming on. Oh, it's on the first setting. It takes a bit to warm up though. It's gonna take a bit. So when I got my first one, my first VEVOR, I got it and I got really pissed because I was planning this big trip. It came in and then I went and used it and it wouldn't start up. Like, I don't know why. It wouldn't go. It wouldn't get hot or nothing. It's because I had it on an angle. And the diesel, I put a little bit of diesel so the diesel wasn't going in. And I emailed them and I bitched and complained and everything. I'm sorry, VEVOR, that I did that because it's stupid of me. But I figured it out. This one, I just put a bunch of diesel in and it started working right away, man. I'm telling you, it takes like 10 minutes to heat up probably, but the best part is I was just laying in here and the control, there was a control from the old piece of shit one that's in the landfill now probably, but here's the control for the other one, right? And like I said, it's got that switch where you can protect the buttons, which is nice. But you can turn it off and on from here, and like say in the morning you turn it off overnight and in the morning you want to turn it back on. That's pretty neat. I like that. Yeah, I'm pleased with this big time. And now we're gonna go out and See what we can see, because I've been testing this all day long and it's not bad. If you have a small space, this thing's overkill. This is a small space. But that's what I want. I want something, I want to run things on low. I don't want to run things on high. Because if I run them on low, I know that they'll last and they won't break as easy, hopefully. Yeah. I don't know where I'm going yet. Going somewhere like in a day or so. Spanish River or something like that, near Sudbury. Down some logging roads. Bring the dogs. Gonna bring the predator caller and call in some animals. And take some pictures of them. Yeah. So it should be fun. Exciting.